Okay, hopefully connection is stable now. Seems so.
Hopefully. Did you
Yeah,
have to do a reset?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I wasn't using it or anything, but I don't know. Whatever, it works now, so doesn't matter. All right, here we go.
Hold on, wait. I don't actually have a Pokemon that can swim.
And there's a trainer.
Hey, we may need to switch up where we go.
Okay.
I didn't think about that. I switched my Pelipper's moveset.
Hold on, I gotta beat up this field. Give me a moment. Okay, I don't have waterfall anymore. I don't really know that there's that many locations that would be useful, but
I think the only place waterfall really restricted was Champions Road as far as like places which we could just fly to.
I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm somewhere. Oh, this is Sky Pillar. Okay. Oh, I'm here. All right. I think other cool locations.
I assume as far as Champions Road goes, like we can't, if we re-enter, they'll like re-challenge us, right?
Huh? Are you talking about? You talking about the cave?
Or just like if we tried going to like the final
no,
room.
you could. Yeah, no, no. Let's see.
I'll challenge you in my house, which on your side is your house, but I don't know.
What would be something cool? What's a deep point? You know what? I have an idea. We're making this super over dramatized, but it's worth it for me to lose by 6 Pokemon. Listen, okay. Let's go to the SSN, which I believe is Slateport.
Okay.
Now you might think, getting your Pelipper out and flying is probably faster, but guess what? I'm going this way. This route is really fun. I enjoyed it a lot.
It was really neat. There's still stuff I haven't done there.
Yeah, there's like a bunch of different paths you can take and weird intricacies you can do and stuff like that, so... Like, you can dive here. I'm pretty sure it's for... The dive spot is for, a Pokemon that is likely disabled in this, since all of the, like, the legendary Pokemon events are, like, live events in PokeMMO.
Oh, okay.
I believe that's for one of the Reggies. Alright, so... Let's go to the SSN and see if we can go to another region. No, I'm not going to the museum. I don't care. Let me pull up the... By the way, I don't think we're gonna do it as a whole group again, but if you'd want to do it as a casual thing or an on-stream thing, I'd be down to do another region of this.
I would also be down.
A lot more coming.
It was really... Yeah, I enjoyed playing through and finally beating a Pokemon game.
Yeah. You technically be a harder version of it. Well, I don't think that makes that much of a difference.
Hey, I'll take whatever I
can. You could also say it's easier if you use the GTS, but we didn't really do that. The only time I used that was to evolve my Feebas to my Lodic instead of waiting for berries to grow.
Oh, yeah. I mean,
So
there were some easy parts, there were some hard parts, right? Like, the item limiting was definitely... That didn't exist, right?
yeah, no.
Okay, but
Then
also...
again, I would always try to play without items anyways, myself. And I know if it was the original Pokemon game, I probably wouldn't have even needed items.
Yeah, well, and then also the full heal and full PP refill between Elite Four battles.
Yeah, that is easy. Yeah, that.
However, the
makes it
battles,
easier.
from what I understand, were harder.
Yes, definitely harder. And hey, maybe now, maybe not quite yet, but maybe we'll do it with this game a long time down the road because you're familiar with this game at least and where to go. We can do a randomizer Nuzlocke.
Yes.
Of this game. That would be fun.
That would be fun. I would enjoy that.
And just remember that you do get damaged by poison outside of battle in a base Pokemon game.
Yes.
And you will die.
I will absolutely... I can't forget that at this point.
Dude, there's a lot more English chat today.
I know, it's
where
really
I find
weird.
Flash. Alright, I'm assuming this one. Aha! Can we go to Johto? Is that unlocked now? I thought that was in beta. Alright. Where should we go? See, I don't know where it's gonna... Okay, I do know where it's gonna take us. That's a lie. So Johto, we're gonna go to... Olivine. Kanto, we're gonna go... I don't know where we're gonna go in Kanto. Sinnoh, we're gonna go to... Dang, I'm actually kind of a zoomer. My bad. I actually don't know. Let's go to Johto.
I thought wasn't.
Your Pokemon will be sent to the PC. All right.
So that's a no, I assume, eh?
Oh, I'm going. You know what? We could battle on the ferry, but then we have to go through like a bunch of people.
Oh yeah.
To get to like the top of it. And we're not about to battle on the first floor of the ferry. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's just boring. Alright, let me... That guy's got Fennekin ears. What a goat. Okay.
So it's very important stuff.
Yeah. You got any suggestions?
I have no idea.
I'm trying to think, instead of going to like a high point, we should go to a deep point. But I'm trying to think of like where's the secret area or something. I've gone to like everywhere. Feels like. It may have to happen in Little Root Town. That may just be the play.
Back to our roots.
Back to our roots. Yeah. Let's go. Let's get a Little Root. I'll meet you there. Probably slower, but I'll meet you there. Oh shoot, his boat's not here. Alright, you know what? I got this. Taking the journey with me?
Yeah, hold up,
Wait, no. That's not gonna work.
Hold on, I've gotta use a repel real quick.
Well, we're not... Okay, yeah, we are traversing water. There's a cave over here?
Where are you?
Altering cave? Whoa. This is not... Okay, wait. Come in here. I don't know what this is. I'm using a repel. This definitely is either a PokeMMO exclusive or it's a post-game thing that I don't remember. Alright, wait. I gotta use my...
There's nothing. What is the point of this place?
What a freaking boring place. Alright, well, this is a perfect place.
It is set up.
Alright. Let's see. Alright, what are your for once ever, what are your levels? Or like give me a range. I won't even peek necessarily.
58, but... 55, 52, 49, 44, 49.
Okay, we're good. We can uncap it.
All right.
Okay. Let me
Baronade,
hold on. I gotta pull up my notes. They're somewhere.
I've got. Do you want me to have something covering your screen share so I don't see it?
I just trust you not to look.
Okay.
But then again, you've seen a lot more of my moveset because of just watching me than I've seen of yours, but yeah. Yeah, I'm not watching you, and I just trust that you're not watching me.
Okay. Doing pretty well, Baronade. Blizzard, while we were waiting for stuff to download in Zombies, just downloading extra maps. And so Blizzard decided to finally take on the champion on his file. So now that Blizzard and I are both Pokemon champions in this, we're doing one last battle.
Okay,
So I don't have specific notes on your Pokemon as far as moves go, but I have a tab open of all your Pokemon.
Well, so do I. So that makes you feel any better.
Yo, Overgrowth.
Scale, none. Alright, let's go. I think I could do better than I previously would have.
I'm kind of worried. Your Sceptile is the highest level thing in this battle.
This is... I don't even have that move.
See, this is where I struggle. This is the one choice I keep forgetting what I decide on.
When you said that, I was like, I shouldn't have went all guns blazing on it. Alright. Okay. Didn't know if you were gonna stay or not.
No, not the crit, too. I don't even know if that could have lived anyway.
I be thinking. Thinking like mad. Unsurprising, but... Dude, for not being very effective, that's sure a lot.
Ooh, I forgot about Ice Beam.
Really?
Did a lot less than I was expecting.
I thought that would do a lot more damage, I'm gonna be real. Let's see. Oh, you're faster. Oh, maybe that's a slow... Okay, that's not...
Well, I lowered your speed on the previous attack.
Okay, yeah.
Ooh. I'm taking some of that back, sir.
Alright. It's okay, it's okay. Okay. Oh!
Yes, it was enough!
Wow. Alright. That was actually really good.
Oh, wow, you're faster?
Yeah, this thing is really fast.
Dang. Alright.
I just can't freaking fight this thing!
And the crit.
Oh, the crit! I think that's probably it. I mean, I just didn't have anything for this. Well, I did. My melodic can beat it, but I was almost fully confident that you were gonna be faster, Leaf Blade was gonna kill, and that my Ice Beam wouldn't get out in time. If I was faster, like if I was the same level as your Sceptile, I would have maybe thought differently, but
yeah.
Okay. Say if I could get an Endeavor off or something crazy happen. Alright, this is my big boy.
Pulling out the gamble? Do you have the chance?
I got freaking Gyro Ball, bro. I need my melodic to be faster. I should have just cranked the Ice Beam. GG's.
GG's. Did you just put that in like normal chat? Just like to everybody?
Yeah, I don't know how to freaking...
Oh, okay. So I got this. I got you.
Hey, honestly, Overgrowth, my Mawile proved more useful than my Sand Slash. My Sand Slash was a lot less useful than I thought.
Did your Sand Slash still have the magnitude in the end?
Yeah. I mean, there was not very effective against Sceptile, so.
Yeah. That Mawile is what I formed my team to counter.
Right.
That's what caused my team to become.
Hey, early on, the Mawile was huge. but something with no evolution, yeah.
Let it be known, there was a week of our PokeMMO where I lost every single battle.
Yeah. Hey, you got a lot of full evolution Pokemon, and I built around. I'm glad I beat the game with this team though, because this was a super fun team to play with. I used basically all, except for Sceptile, I used basically all Pokemon I'd never used in a full playthrough before. So
That is
despite
really
me
cool.
liking them, like I've thought Mawile was cool ever since, she was like a character in the first Pokepark game, but yeah, I never had the chance to use one, so I take it. And it's like Manectric I was never really into, but it was one of the few electric types I feel like I've never really used, and they're good, so they're fast. Milotic, obviously, mostly just because Milotic was like a almost generic choice, even though it's like one of the coolest Pokemon that makes it generic. But getting that Phoebus in like 10 minutes was insane.
Yeah, that was a crazy.
Genghis always really cool. Yeah, that was crazy.
I thought that was an evolution of something.
No, it's a standalone. And then Sandslash, I've wanted to use for a while, but I don't think I ever used in a full playthrough. So yeah, Steel Fairy is also a good at typing. Yeah, but yeah, this was super good, just as like resistance against a lot, because Steel just resists a lot of things. So Mawile is always just good to switch into, and Sucker Punch, honestly, as much as it like is usually weak, it just helps out in a lot of those situations where I'm just doing a quick switch. Sucker Punch ended up just helping, even if it was just that little bit more damage that I needed.
Yeah.
Like my Milotic and my Sceptile are definitely because they're actual evolution Pokemon, whereas the rest of them are like 2 evolutions or less.
The Mawile threw me for a loop because I feel like a lot of my team suffers from physical damage. Like my Sceptile just gets crushed, and then maybe my Machamp I think took quite a bit from physical attacks. But like my counter to your Mawile was Camerupt. I guess Machamp.
Right, and my counter to that was my Milotic, although I always planned on getting a water type.
Yeah. Though your Mawile, you could have just, if you used Dig, because...
Well, I don't have Dig.
Oh, you don't have Dig on it anymore?
I never had Dig on Mawile. That's my Sceptile.
Oh, I thought your Mawile had it.
I did fight your Camerupt early on with the Dig. That's what I used to do.
Oh, okay.
But,
because I used to...
yeah. Is Camerupt fire ground, or is it just fire?
It's fire ground.
Okay, yeah. So I think that would be neutral against it.
The website I use says ground. I think Dig was always super effective against it.
Okay.
Which is why at one point I had one of its ground moves, the one where it deals extra damage to enemies in Dig. Because I was expecting that as like the counter play.
Right. Yeah.
And then once I got that, no one ever used it on me.
Yeah, my Milotic was supposed to also be like the only answer I had for your Sceptile, really, but it's like to get that Ice Beam off is I knew in my heart, like we could check right now, but I guarantee you I'm slower.
I would think my Sceptile is pretty fast.
I have 106 speed on the Milotic.
I have 169.
Yeah.
What
So,
was your Sceptile's speed? Because he was faster than me, I think.
Okay, it has 92 speed EVs, 177.
Yeah, okay. We did both end up going into one dragon attack. Yours is double chop, right?
Yeah, dual chop, because there's some better things I could probably learn, but it was mostly just for like, most things don't resist or are super effective against dragon other than dragon itself, so it was just kind of like I can always have it.
Yeah,
there were definitely higher damage moves I could use, but
yeah, I was looking when I was doing Elite Four attempts, I was looking for something better, and I ended up getting Dragon Claw to replace my dual chop. Same with one of my big things was getting grass attacks to counter the water team, but not having it on a grass type, which kept getting countered by the entire team of the champion having Ice Beam. And so like my Alakazam has, which I didn't even pull out my Alakazam, but it has Energy Ball now, which I don't even recall needing to use in the champion battle. It's so crazy how like you can plan for so many things, and then it takes one change or one lucky roll, and the whole battle is like, oh, I don't even need to go to that thing.
Yeah, or vice versa. It's like, oh, now I'm planning on something that was like astronomically low chances.
Yeah.
But yeah, like my usefulness chart is like, well, okay, honestly, because of level, Sceptile's probably higher and Giga Drain, but honestly, they're even if they're same level. Then definitely Manectric. Then probably these are on the same level. And then the very bottom, can't put it any lower, but the Sand Slash is unfortunately the least useful. Shout out to King's Rock, even though it didn't help me in this battle.
Yeah, that you had some really clutch flinches during the champion fight. This is probably how I do mine. My Alakazam, Sceptile, Machamp are all very evenly distributed.
A very strong team.
Like it's just they cover a lot of bases. Camerupt tended to be too slow to really do much, but it usually forced like a Pokemon change at the least, which worked really well. Pelipper was more just for flying and swimming, but ended with having Shockwave and Ice Beam on it, which it made it pretty versatile.
Having Shockwave is kind of clutch.
Yeah, that and Ice Beam were both changes for Elite Four, just to cover more bases. And then Cast Form, really low level, so it usually couldn't take a hit, but if it could, it had Thunderbolt, Fire Blast, Ice Beam, Energy Ball, so...
It's like a huge spread.
Yeah, that's what I was going for with it. I was like, I'm never going to get the chance to switch the weather to where it changes form, so I just went full, like, strong attacks in whatever range I can get.
Right. Cool. I will see you in the next region, and maybe I'll play a little bit more against your team instead of just building something for fun. I'm still gonna build stuff for fun, but I'm gonna try to.
So how do we go about the next region? Are we keeping our teams?
So yeah, I was gonna say if you want to keep our characters, it seems like when we just move on the ferry, then we can just go to the next region and it'll reset. I mean, we can look. We ain't got nothing to lose.
That's true. Oh, you're taking the ride. Okay, I see.
I mean, it's right down here.
That's true.
Oh my goodness. I think I found the final boss. They're standing in front of the doorway.
Oh.
Quite the character.
Alright, you were saying Johto next?
I'm saying, if we're gonna do another one, if it's out, I think it's Johto time.
Alright. Is that okay? Yes, that's okay.
Come back when you're ready.
Oh!
I'm freaking ready. I forgot Johto's like low-key 3D.
Mm-hmm. This is wild. We've got our Nintendo Wii. It's a Wii.
Oh my goodness. Dude, this is whoa!
Wii is huge
That's
in
Metagross.
Johto, too. Yo, Totodile.
Let's go. Dude, I love this song. Oh my gosh. Sorry, this is like Gen 3. I was like 13. And like I still really like it, but I grew up with this. I grew up with this game. So yeah, okay. We are now stuck here. So
yeah. I mean, say we probably just start new teams.
Yeah.
Like
we
I
don't have
like
any
even
Pokemon.
whoa. All right.
We just be showing up in our house.
Funny if you go to the TV talking about oh maybe it's I assumed it would be the same thing. It was talking about if you don't want vagrant children coming into your house, install a north side door.
No, I got Tsundere. Can the police force really be bribed with small amounts of team?
An exclusive interview. Pallet Town mother claims to have literally millions of children.
Millions of children. Yeah, that one was good. I just saw that too. You want to be the best? Well, too bad you can't. Yeah, until we get to Olivine Town, I think our characters are stuck here now.
Okay. Yeah, because I feel like, you know, starting a new region, it's like, I wouldn't want to use Pokemon that are just like steamroll.
No, yeah.
Alright. Is it zombies time?
It's zombies time. I just got some bread cauliflower.
Mm. Man, who'd they bribe to bring their Pokemon into the house?
For real. Mom would never let me do that. Alright, anyways.